Here's a gentle practice you can try now, using the 4 teachers as a single, cohesive map. So pause, settle your body, and take a long, easy inhale and exhale. Then you can invite your awareness to travel through the 4 elements in sequence, with a minute or 2 for each. The clouds. Bring your attention to your mind, noticing any thoughts or feelings as if they were clouds. Watch them drift without grabbing or following them. If you find yourself labeling, soften the label and let the gaze return to the observation itself. The trees. Move your awareness to the body and your sense of the ground beneath you. Feel the support of the chair or the earth, the texture of the air on your skin, and the rhythm of your breath flowing through you. Imagine your spine growing taller, like a tree trunk, while your shoulders release their hold and soften. The water. Shift your attention to the breath's cadence. The inhale and exhale in rhythm. Notice if there's a resistance, and with each exhale, invite a little more ease. Allow any reflections to surface and then ripple away as water would. Calm, reflective, unforced. And the sky. Finally, expand awareness to the sense of spaciousness around you. Let thoughts be distant birds in the sky, coming and going with the breeze. Rest in that broadness for a few breaths, noticing how even a busy mind can soften into an open, receptive calm. Let these 4 teachers cohere in your awareness as a single practice